Welcome viewers, Dr. JWAU, to War Wisdom. When does a soldier have the right to refuse? A soldier receives an order. There are seconds to respond. Around him, others are already moving. His commander expects obedience. His unit depends on discipline. Hesitation could cost lives, including his own. But something about the order feels wrong. What does he owe to command, to his comrades, and to his conscience? Armies cannot function if every instruction becomes a personal referendum. Soldiers operate with incomplete information. Commanders may know things they do not. Delay can destroy an operation. Refusal can endanger everyone nearby. So obedience is not merely institutional convenience. Sometimes obedience saves lives. But obedience has a boundary. An order to deliberately murder civilians does not become moral because a superior issued the order. An atrocity does not become someone else's responsibility because it travelled downward through a chain of command. And history has taught us the danger of allowing obedience to become an escape from conscience. Yet the hardest cases are rarely announced as atrocities. What if the target is genuinely military, but civilians are nearby? What if intelligence is uncertain? What if refusing an attack allows an enemy to strike first? What if the soldier suspects the order is unlawful but cannot know? Now conscience confronts uncertainty. War requires wisdom. Discipline asks whether the order is lawful. Duty asks what failure to act could cost. Justice asks, how may legitimacy be a target? Justice asks, who may legitimately be targeted? Courage sometimes means advancing under fire, but occasionally courage means refusing to fire at all. The soldier cannot demand perfect knowledge before every action. Neither can he surrender moral responsibility merely because someone outranks him. Because military discipline and moral responsibility are not enemies. At their best, they restrain each other. A soldier must sometimes train the trust. He must train his amount of trust in the chain of command. But no chain of command can transform the innocent into the guilty. And perhaps that is the deeper war wisdom. Obedience may explain an action, but it cannot automatically justify it.